Welcome back to REB Auto. My name is Russell. Quick update on the Cadillac. I've done a little bit of work that I haven't shown, but just kind of want to, like I said, this isn't a how-to. Took the all the trunk liners out, and they're all up here on top of the car. And to get the trunk liners out, the center piece had to come out. It had three bolts. This car does not have the lay down seat. It has a fixed back seat, so it had bolts to take out the back seat. And once that was taken out, then the side pieces, they're up here somewhere, they wrapped around. You can see right there, they wrapped around to the inside behind the seat. And once you got all those out, mostly just push pins, they came on out. And once I did that, I pushed on the rear panel some already and got it back. I had the old trunk lid, got it to close. So then got my parts. I ended up first place, sent the wrong parts, and wasn't the right trunk lid. Was blue. I asked for white, and they sent me a different bumper than the one that I had agreed to. The salesman sent me pictures. So anyway, I guess that's, if you ever do that, deal with salvage yards, just ask good questions and tell them exactly what you're trying to do. Call a different place. Drove to just south of Richmond to get them, Hopewell, and they're real nice folks. Told the guy on the phone exactly what I was trying to do, what I was looking for, and he understood. And then when they called and told me their parts were ready, I asked them again. I said, "Hey, did you get the parts we talked about?" And they did. So I really appreciate that. So here's the new trunk lid. I just got it set on there right now. Gaps are still a little big. I need hopefully tighten that up. And then of course down here it doesn't quite close yet. So got some more work to do, some more pushing to do. And once I get some more pushing done, I'll bring you back and make another video. Let me know what you think. You got any suggestions or comments? Like to let me know. Have a nice day.